Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send BUSD from Revolut to Trezor wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance USD securely from Revolut's easy-to-use platform to the ultra-secure Trezor hardware wallet, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember, we're dealing with real money, so double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have both your Revolut account set up and verified, and your Trezor wallet properly connected to your computer or mobile device. Trezor is a top-tier hardware wallet that keeps your crypto offline and safe from hackers. It's a game-changer for serious investors. Step 1. Open your Trezor Suite app or interface. Navigate to the wallet section and select BUSD. Here, you'll find your unique wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully. This address is like your crypto's home address. Get it wrong, and your funds could be lost forever. Next, hop over to your Revolut app. Go to your crypto section, find BUSD in your portfolio, and select the option to transfer or withdraw. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste that Trezor address you just copied. Double-check it for accuracy. One typo could mean trouble. Now, enter the amount of BUSD you want to send. Revolut might show you any fees involved, so keep an eye on that. Fees can vary based on network congestion. Once you're happy, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so verify that too. After initiating the transfer, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour for the transaction to process, depending on the blockchain network. Head back to your Trezor suite and refresh the wallet. Voila! Your BUSD should appear. If it doesn't, don't panic. Check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. A quick word of caution: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, stay updated on any new Revolut or Trezor policies. That's it for this guide. You've just taken control of your digital assets. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.